Okay, so we've got the stern drive oil, gear oil changed. We've put a new alternator and some more stuff.
Right.
Previous videos. Now we have to go and time the engine. We did initial timing enough to crank it in our later video. Now we have to time it so we can go lake test. We're out here at Moon Lake doing some boat testing, and so far been successful. So y'all stay through this intro and tell us what you think. Be sure to subscribe and like the video. Looks like that.
Yeah. I think we've done a lot.
We have. Now we're just having fun.
Right.
Okay, so when you're ready to time your boat, all you need is a jumper wire and a timing gun. Left the link down below for this gun. It's off Amazon. It's really inexpensive, and it's really all you need. It just shows the timing mark. Now, if you want to get more fancy, you can get something that shows your advance on this engine as well. When the advance kicks in, it throws it back into about 22, 24 before top dead center. If you don't take this jumper wire out and rewire the engine back to the way it should be, you're going to get pre-detonation, which is going to sound like your valves are rattling. You don't want that. It'll destroy your engine. You have these two wires that go up to your shifting kill switch. This allows your engine to stall so you can shift between gears. And then you have these two wires, which I pulled out of this conduit, that go to your distributor. We're going to put our jumper in these, and we're going to tie these two together. So we cut out the kill switch. You see right here, I have this jumpered. This goes to our kill switch, our stall switch on the shifter, and I have these jumpered. I just pushed wire through here to complete the circuit. So once you have it timed, be sure to put these wires back in place for your shifter going up to here. And I've already tucked these distributor wires in my conduit here to keep it looking clean and nice and pretty. So let's start it now, see how it sounds. We set the boat to 4 degrees before top dead center. The breather said 1 degree after top dead center. It was still pinging and things like that. So to play it safe, retard the timing a bit, and it seems to run great. So let's start it and see how it sounds. So it starts up perfectly. There he is. It runs. Okay.
I don't want to get the. There we go. That's what I'm trying to do.
What do you think? Yes, I am. What do you think now that the boat's finally out on the water?
I guess I still am waiting for it to break.
So we're doing some lake testing. Whole fam's here. And we're at Moon Lake. It's a nice lake. It's a small lake, so we don't have to paddle as much. But we're noticing issues. So speedometer doesn't work, trim doesn't work, RPM is questionable, and fuel doesn't work. So we don't have a clue how much gas we got. But let's crank it up and go. 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Well, we still have some work to do, but it's a work in progress. We're a lot closer. Okay, we're good.
All right. All right. Hey, Mom.
A lot closer.
Did you record, Mom?
Yeah, I'm still recording.
No, you're not.
Yeah. It's still recording.
Danielle's out back there just chilling.
Watching those crazy people coming at us. You're like gonna make up.
So, when you get back from the lake and you got your boat all snug in the garage, first thing you want to do is take out that drain plug. Throw a bucket underneath it to catch any excess water so it just doesn't go all over your garage. Then after you've taken the plug out of the boat, you got to open up this engine compartment. We got to get the water out of this. Then look at the front of your engine. You should have a draining system. It's right here on this engine, but you should have something similar on your engine. This is also used to winterize your boat. But you want to take and there's little push button clips. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. You take and you push the clip and it comes out. And you drop that in the bilge of the boat. Remember, we took out that plug. Well, this is the reason why. Because now we're draining water into the bilge. Whoa, and on the seat. Smells good. Lake water. So, and that's going to drain into the bucket we have in the bilge. I hear it. And you're good to go. That's our lake maintenance.
Coming soon.
We did just get off the water and we did boat maintenance. So it's something you want to do, especially if you're in salt water. There's a whole lot more steps. We were in fresh water, but we just wanted to drain the water out of the engine because it doesn't have antifreeze in it, and so it does promote rust. So this will let it dry out. I still hear it dripping right there.
We don't want rust.
No, we don't
It was
want...
full of rust, so yeah, we don't want that no more.
No more rust. But if you live up north, there's a whole bunch more stuff you have to do to winterize your boat. If anywhere it freezes. Luckily, we're in Florida and we're going to split all winter long. It's going to suck.
No, we're not. There's going to be a smidge of frozenness that we're not used to, so.
But we still have to maintain our boat. We restored it, got to maintain it. Our brand shop is coming, and this hat is going to be offered along with other things. I've laid in Christos what with the American flag, because Both me and Danielle served in the military. Our son serves in the military. All our grandparents served in the military, our parents, and we are proud to be Americans. Also, Dining with Danielle brand is being released. And with that will be the aprons, some shirts, yoga pants, leggings, things like that.
It pretty much pertains to what I wear. I wanted to have other options, and yeah, I think you guys are gonna like it.
It's really cool. And of course, check out the recipes on our blog, So Yummy. And every Wednesday releases new recipes.
My son's friends are eating it. They're eating the recipes. They come over for dinner.
Yes. Or they take it from his school lunch.
You're right. They take it from his school lunch.
So check out the recipes. And I've got to go work on Jeep blinker now. But if you...
It's always something, but you know, it's fun.
It is. It's life. You always have to do something. They say a boat is a hole in the water to sink money into. Well, a house is, a Jeep is, anything you own.
Any car.
Anything. You have to sink money into it. So, it is what it is.
A wife, a husband, kids. No, I'm kidding.
So, if you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, hit that like button. It's down there. Looks like this. And y'all please take care.